guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to mix some hot wings, buffalo wings. I have the sauce here. This is a really easy recipe. And I have the chicken wings. They already cut up and everything. About 1.40 pounds. Okay, so let me get started on this. I have my bag that I'm gonna add my chicken to and the buffalo sauce. And I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. Okay, you can make this for Super Bowl, whenever. It's really an easy recipe. Okay. I'll use the whole jar. Okay. I'm gonna place these back in the refrigerator, and I will be cooking them tomorrow. Okay. I'll use the whole jar. Okay. Okay, you can make this for Super Bowl, whenever. It's really an easy recipe. Okay. Okay, this is the next day. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook these chicken wings. I'm gonna bake them at 375 minutes, 375 degrees for about 40 minutes. Okay. All right, let me place them in the oven. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what else you would like to see on this channel. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, here's the buffalo wings. I let them cook a little longer than 40 minutes. I would say about an hour. So 375 for 1 hour.